Just sit right back and you'll hear a tale of a faithful young woman who embarked on her worldly journey 16 years ago. Her bishop and her parents, leaders and good friends too, for the strength of youth, personal progress, they helped her to stay true. They helped her to stay true. She's anchored in her family and in the gospel plan, with hope and faith in Jesus Christ, her eternal friend. He's her eternal friend.
In life we encounter all sorts of temptations and trials that try to get us off the course or even sink us. These include immodesty, gossiping, and insecurities, lying, cheating, inappropriate language, and abusing the word of wisdom, immorality, and steady boyfriends.
Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack. Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack, doo 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 doo. Shark attack. Shark attack, doo 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 doo.
With help of those who pull us to safety, who love and care for us, and by being anchored in the things that matter most, we can make it safely home.
I love Jesus.